this is our apartment in Rome. Come check it out. So this is when you walk in. There's stairs there if you want to walk. And then it's here. Peter is coming down right now. There it is. Okay. And you come in. Okay, we're on the 5th floor. And then we're gonna go up. On the floor. And then we have the garage. And then this opens. And there you go. And you live right here. So, this is when you first walk in. This is like the entryway, and there's the couch. It's kind of like a mud room, but like plain, like, and it gives off Italy colors because those.
And the sewing machine?
Yeah, the sewing machine is so cool. Oh, and the roof is like brick, and it's so pretty. And the light fixtures are also really pretty. So, yeah, coming here, right across from the entryway, we have our dining table. And this light fixture, well, this light fixture. And then we have TV here. On this side, we have the couch to get the TV and some art. And moving along here is the kitchen. Inside, it's so cute. There's utensils here, coffee machine, microwave, toaster, kettle, sink, storage, trash. What is it? Stove, oven, and then fridge. So, and it's so cute and cozy. And probably the best part is it has these windows that are so pretty. And later I'll show you more of the windows here that we have in this apartment. Continuing, Oliver's already in there. It's the bathroom. And oh my god, I love, it's just so cool. Like 2 sinks and toilet and shower and a laundry machine. Yeah. So now coming in here, this is my sister and I's room. This is my bed. This is her bed. Oh, it's just pretty simple, really cute. Again, another okay. And then the final room here is parents' bedroom. Big bed. Oh, here. And the weather's so good. So that is our apartment in Rome for this Italy trip, and we're so excited. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!